Hi, this is Larry Kearney. I'm going to give you a demo of my new Chrome extension called SiteOptimizer Pro. Now, a lot of people are not aware that half the searches on Google, Yahoo, Bing now are picked up by the AIs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexia, but they're only picked up if your page is designed a certain way. So we're going to go through that a little bit in terms of this demo. So this is a plugin that allows you to analyze any web page, any blog for any type of weaknesses in terms of getting it picked up by the search engines and picked it up by AI. Now, AI is very important because now half of your searches, people, when they come in the internet and they ask a question, the result is picked up by the search engines, but it's only if your page is designed a certain way. So let's go into it here now. This is the, let me activate the plugin. Actually, I want to activate it on any random page here. Let's go to a regular page. Any page will do. This takes a minute or a few seconds. So open up the plugin, the extension rather. Analyze the current page. Take a few seconds. It's going to give you a thorough report of every item on the page in the HTML. Okay, here we go. Now this showing you the saying the title is a little short, description isn't good, this viewpoint. So you see indexable. Now this is very important. If your page is not indexable, it won't get picked up by Google search engine, Yahoo, Bing, and you're going to lose money. Okay, you got the H1, got H2, the kind of words says okay, hard. So you see it's a lot of information, internal links, missing the alt tags, and it gives you the suggestions to improve it. And anything you don't understand, you can just copy this information and throw it into ChatGPT and ask a question about it, and it will pretty much explain anything you want to know or what you need to improve. Okay, and this particular one is for check-in items, so you would be able to rank on the AIs. Not really rank, but show up when someone types a question in. Your information will show up in AI, ChatGPT, Perplexia, including your links. Let's see, mobile performance. This is very important because I would say more than half the individuals on internet are coming on their mobile phone. So it will tell you about your mobile phone problem. If you have problems with your page showing up mobilely, and as I said before, you can copy if you want more information. But so far, this is looking pretty good. Okay, and at this point, we go technical. You have more information about your site. And also you can export it with the CSV, or you could do PDF. Basically, when you click this, you would click it open as a print, and then you save it in your printable mode. You can save it as a PDF. So it's Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this demo, and check out the page. This is a basic system, or what do you call it? You can offer it as a service to business owners, because everyone needs to have their page working correctly, because the easiest way to get traffic, the easiest way to get paid, buyers traffic you call it, is from search engines and from the AIs. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everybody for watching the video, and check out the page and click the link below.